Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to adjust the font size and change the font in Google Docs. So what is the font size and the font? Now the font size is also called the text size. It determines the size of your text in your document, and a font, it is like a style of writing, like it changes your how your characters or words look. So to learn in more details you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So over here I have opened my Google Chrome. Now I'm going to open my Google Drive. So over here I'm going to create a new document. Let's name it um, the okay, I'm going to name it the Microsoft. Then I'm going to go to the Wikipedia. Okay, then search for the Microsoft. Okay, so Wikipedia, it is the free encyclopedia. Over here you can find the information about almost everything, like in details. So I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to just simply paste it. Now if I just click on clear formatting, so now everything's fine. Now what I'm going to do is, if I select it all and if I click on this plus button that is saying the increase font size, so now the font size is increasing. Now if I want to decrease it, I can click over here to decrease the font size. Now if I want to change the font, the way this is written, what I can do is I can click over here and select the style I want it to be written in. So let's just select it again, and let's see if I want it to be written like this. So this is how you can change the fonts of your text. Let's say over here. So this is how you can change the font of your text. So also, as you can see, there are so many links over here. If you want to unlink these, what you can do is just click on this remove link, and just click and just simply remove link. So now you won't be redirected to links. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have learned how to adjust the font size and change the font in Google Docs. So thank you for watching.